Welcome to the stunning Los Robles Residence, a 1930s Mediterranean villa nestled on a 2.5-acre hilltop in Pomona, California. This isn't just a house, it's a masterpiece of design and history, blending Spanish Revival elegance with the craftsmanship of the Italian Renaissance. Today, we're diving into its rich story, unique architectural features, and the luxury design-build work by HartmanBaldwin that's breathing new life into this home. Originally designed by architect John Lester Armour for his mother, this nearly 6,000 square foot villa has seen its share of ups and downs. Vacancies, foreclosures, and even unfinished construction due to financial struggles during the Great Depression. But despite it all, the home's charm has endured. One of the home's most iconic features is this breathtaking outdoor living space. The arched openings, vaulted ceilings, and built-in seating capture the essence of Mediterranean architecture, creating the perfect space to soak in panoramic views of the Pomona and San Gabriel valleys. Step inside, and you're greeted by an array of Spanish-style details, such as ornately arched doorways, richly stenciled ceilings, and vibrant tile work that adds warmth and texture to every corner. The kitchen is a shining example of how thoughtful design can restore a space while honoring its history. Originally remodeled in the 1980s, this room was transformed by HartmanBaldwin to meet the needs of its modern owners while preserving its character. Gone are the wall cabinets, replaced by open shelving to create an airy, uncluttered feel. The muted bruise palette of greens, grays, and charcoals was custom mixed to reflect the homeowner's love for a moody, sophisticated tone. Even the cabinet pulls were repurposed from an old workbench found on the property, a nod to sustainability and timeless charm. Adjacent to the kitchen, the butler's pantry offers ample storage, combining functionality with elegance. The new wood paneling enhances the area, preserving the timeless character of this historic home. The cozy breakfast nook invites you to enjoy the morning sunlight with your freshly brewed cup of coffee. And let's not forget the upstairs master bathroom. Once a shared Jack and Jill setup, it's now a luxurious retreat featuring handmade green tiles, black trim, and double pedestal vanities. It's a seamless blend of old-world charm and modern convenience. From its asymmetrical facade to the intricate wrought iron details, the Los Robles Residence is a testament to the beauty of Spanish-style architecture and the art of restoration. This home isn't just about preserving history. It's about reimagining it for today's world. Whether it's the meticulously remodeled kitchen or the serene master bathroom, every detail showcases the power of design-build to marry heritage with modern luxury. If you're as inspired as we are by the Los Robles Residence, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories of home restoration and luxury design. See you next time.